Australia government. This India drama, it doesn't work. This asset West, no anymore. He can't see $1. Ask the taxation now. People who need taxi, Australia government, pay if you have. But this, not easy. A national capital, global power sit down. No anymore. Like Trump touch lock, coalition, court. This is the justice court. Uncle Sam with me. I have to go this country. I have to get out of this country. I don't want it. Because no justice, no freedom, no huge, just rape, financial. That Trump he now confused. He come to you now. You too like that. But 2026 game is over. Everything in the real, everything position. You think Uncle Sam, analyst he pay fake 10 years. I'm sorry. I can't waste my time. That, and I have to get out of this country. I have to go Bali.